Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dikshit from Dr. Dikshit Dermatology, Bangalore. In today's day and age, grooming has become very important, as much for the woman as much for the man. Today, men are equally worried about the body hair as much as they're worried to retain the hair on the scalp. They want to know what are the options to remove the hair on the body. When we are talking about significantly permanently reducing the amount of hair in a male, we are talking about the best options for this kind of hair removal, which might be done over the beard area, for example on the cheek if you have excessive hair growth on the cheek, or in the neck area where you want to avoid excessive hair growth on the upper chest or neck area because it shows off when you wear your shirt, or even for grooming on the fingers or toes. Or especially even now we see people who are seeking this kind of hair removal treatments because they want to wear a big tattoo or they want to flaunt their muscles. So when we look at all these options, the best options for men is to do a laser hair reduction. Let us say now, what is laser hair reduction? Why do we say reduction and what not permanent hair removal? Laser is only able to significantly reduce the thickness and density by about 85 to 90% of the hair which is in an affected area. There are different kind of lasers which are available today in the market, and the most efficient ones are the Nd:YAG as well as the diode based lasers. The advantages of the diode based lasers is obviously that they are very painless. So a treatment might take only about half an hour to 1 hour for the entire chest and back area. The treatment of laser hair reduction is done over a series of sessions. If you want only a significant reduction and you're not looking for significant removal, or you don't want any hair at all, then the number of sessions increase. But in a male, the major concern is that this hair is under the stimulation of the hormone testosterone, which is a normal hormone in the men. So I would say you would definitely get a significant reduction in the hair growth, but you cannot probably go for a complete removal. So you would need a minimum of 6 to 8 sessions over a period of 1 to 1.5 years to achieve this result. So when you plan for your tattoos to be done, please remember your tattoo always goes on after you have finished your laser hair reduction, because the laser hair reduction cannot be performed on an area which already has a tattoo, because the tattoo will absorb excess ink. So if you're planning for a tattoo, do your laser first, then go for your tattoo. So as in women, hair reduction is best done with lasers, and it's safely done with lasers, and it's effectively done with lasers, and definitely all men can also opt for these technologies.